No, it's recording.
Hello, kitty cat.
Hi, kitty cats. I'm really tired, which makes no sense because I slept a lot, but I didn't feel very good.
I'm tired and I slept a lot.
Yeah. So, we're gonna do our Ipsy bags today.
Well, Ipsy bag and
Yeah.
Ipsy box.
She has the Ipsy bag. I have the Ipsy Glambag Plus. And
Yes.
okay.
I'm going first.
Okay. That's fine.
So first things first. We got a panda eye writing mask.
Cute.
That looks like it's straight from Japan, but it's not.
It's not.
It's not.
Please clean that up.
It just became Nerdy Crafter in 0.2 seconds. And then we got Betty Boop.
Oh, that's cute. And the back's all sequins.
It's not the real Betty Boop though.
Yeah, well, that's a conversation for another day.
For another video. Oh, it's Betty Boop exclusives, I guess.
Yeah.
Betty Boop X Ipsy. I can ship it. Like,
The packaging's really cute.
Mom, you shouldn't be in the video, to be honest. Like, you ruined the whole video.
Yes, that's right.
Like, I love you, but I don't have nails anymore.
I don't really either.
None of us have nails.
No, remember mine broke. So I cut them all down.
I trimmed mine down because one of them was crooked.
Here you go.
Ooh. It's a heart.
Yay, a heart.
Can you see everything from my mom's thing?
Yeah, okay.
I like showing off her room.
Why right now? It's kind of messy.
Because I'm going for it. And then we got a nice shimmer blush, I'm guessing.
Mm.
Is it a blush?
It looks like a blush to me.
Yeah, powdered blush. Be cheeky. Well, that makes sense. Yeah, that's pretty.
You are plenty cheeky.
Yeah, by the way, she's changing her YouTube name to Sinfulkitkat.
No, I'm not.
And then we got Calido Cosmetics Diamond Foils. Wait.
Sorry.
Foils? Oh, look, it's a cruelty-free bunny butt. It's a little bunny bit. It's a little
I don't think they could see it.
It's a bunny butt.
There you go.
See the little bunny butt? It's so cute. It's a cute little bunny butt. It's so cute. Okay, but the actual product. Oh my god, it actually showed. This is.
I keep yawning, I'm sorry.
How many times are we gonna edit out your yawns in this video? Or are you even gonna try to edit it out? And then it's in this little safe packaging. Can I?
Wow. You're cleaning all that up later.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the prettiest of them all?
That's very pretty. It's a very pretty foil shadow.
Yeah. Focus! You know what? I tried. Okay, like, it also has a mirror. If you didn't notice before.
Who uses a mirror that small? It's really small. Yeah, okay.
I look beautiful. Don't I?
Yes.
Oh wait, it says... Oh, that's just their Instagram. joined the tribe though, so that's something to look at. And then we got clarifying cleanser, acne control.
Ooh, Murad's a good product. It is. They make good stuff
My mom's not
for your
walking
skin.
top. Look at that. That's so cool. I'm gonna put it on now because I have had acne.
What? It's a cleanser. It's a cleanser, not a moisturizer. What the heck are you doing? You don't want to put it on now.
I want to put it on now.
You need to wash the water.
Context. We had one of these before. Well, at least I have. Did she yawn again?
I can't stop. No, what's his name?
Did she yawn again? People in the comments, did she yawn again? This is fine.
Is that lipstick?
I don't know, Mom. Matte lipstick. Contacts. Do you guys really need to see the box of...
That was sugar.
She interrupted me. I appreciate it. This color is come clean. It's nude.
It's a skin color.
What do you think nude is?
Yeah, but I'm trying not to say nude because nude is sometimes used as just like a whiter skin color.
This
You don't
is
tend to
not a
take
whiter
nudes with
skin
darkers.
color, honey.
No, it's like a peachy skin. Like
This is if somebody went
just
to
don't
the
like we're
sun.
using the word nudes.
This is if somebody went in the sun and got a freaking tan.
It's a weird tan because it's like peachy kind of.
Smells interesting. Smells peachy, actually.
It smells kind of sweet.
Anyway, it's my mom's turn. Slow clap.
She's just mad because I got the Glambag. Plus,
Watch it so you got nothing.
everybody got Betty Boop stuff. There's this big orange thing.
You did not get
Here.
Betty Boop stuff. It's my orange thing.
It's like under everything. It's like something you put on a mattress, but like a smaller version. See?
That could be useful to me though. For like cosplay and stuff.
So,
She doesn't care.
I've got this little thingy.
Nobody cares about your thingy. I'm gonna be hardcore rude.
No being rude. I got.
Taking it back though.
Oh yeah, I got a bag too. Mine's a little different than yours.
Yeah.
I like yours better actually.
Taking this.
I actually am not really that crazy about still getting. I mean, the bags are cute, but I mean, they end up in a pile
Take two.
because we don't use them. So I don't know. They don't. I don't
I
really
like
need
collecting
them.
though.
I wish there was an option in the Glambag Plus to say I don't want the bag, but that's just me.
I mean, I love the bag, so.
So this is the Jolie Cosmetics Spectra Stick in Stella. So this is like a
Stella.
cream highlighting stick.
Stella.
Stella, not Stila. Stella.
I like
The
steel.
packaging is like plastic. But that looks like it'll be pretty. It's like, it's very creamy. The texture is very creamy. I do like the spring action on this. It's got like a spring in it, which is kind of cool. So that's neat. And it's a pretty highlighter. I've gotten a lot of highlighters lately, so it's like a very peachy color. Now I want to do this last. And I got a Betty Boop Ipsy Drawn to You eyeliner. So, in black. This is very thin, so it could be very precise if you want it to be. Why is your hand out? You think you're stealing my eyeliner? I don't trust you.
No.
She's
After
stolen
the
many
video.
eyeliners. Yeah, after the video that she
After
just
the video.
That's nice. Okay. I got the Touch in Soul No Problem Priming Water. I like the packaging once again. It's really cute packaging. I've never used any of their products before. I'm hearing weird stuff about it. So
What is that?
it's a primer.
It looks more like a perfume bottle than a primer.
Yeah, it's very, very like fancy, like so.
like,
And you know, it's full size primer, so I'll be able to use it for a while. What? So now I'm gonna do the attitudes. Anyways,
thought that was last, Mom.
yeah, before the brushes. This is going really well today. Lovecraft Beauty Blush Palette. Ugh. Trying to pull that off there.
That mirror looks ugly because of the
It's
plastic.
got like plastic over it right now. These are the colors. There's some pretty blushes.
There's Daphne.
Dauphine, Althea, and Osalia, I think.
Daphne. More like Daphne.
And from Lovecraft Beauty. So I'm excited for some more blushes. These are very I want to just, oh, they're very soft. And they go on very lightly, so you can build it. Yeah, I like this. This is nice. Okay. And so I got a couple add-ons with this too, besides like the brushes they sent. I got a couple extra brushes because I love brushes. These are Farrah brushes. It's a set.
She has more brushes than me.
So much. Jeez. This is like a nice powder brush. They're soft. I like the shape of them. The little indent. The whole thing. Very nice.
I'm missing a brush.
Yes, I know. This one, I'm not sure. This one's kind of odd. The shape of it. I saw somebody else actually open up their bag and got these, and they were like, this is like an oddly shaped brush. I'm not sure what we'll do with it. And this is a stippling kind of brush. You know, flat top. I usually use like that for highlighter. Or for when I'm doing like the crazy looks I've been doing and doing like, you know, red or blue or green faces. It's very nice. And then I got two more brushes. I got the Betty Boop brush. So that's a nice blending brush. No.
I'm just gonna steal it.
So big for my brushes. And then I got this Sigma brush,
Not begging. I'm asking if I can have
which
it.
is another blending brush. That is everything.
I get a free bag out of it at least.
Yeah, one of my brushes just broke actually. See?
I can fix that actually. Actually, I can fix that now. Where's the super glue?
It's in the mirror.
How did it get in the mirror?
The little mirror thing at the
Oh,
bottom.
I thought you meant like it's actually in the mirror.
Yeah.
Just like, what?
This was this is the Lunar Beauty brush that came with the Manny MUA's Lunar Beauty palette that I got
Oh, we
last
don't
year.
love her.
I don't hate anybody anymore. But I just don't have the time for it, really. But, I mean, yeah, there are some things I probably won't buy, but...
I don't love anyone. Except for Shane Dawson.
So, I know you can't... Oh, and I forgot to tell you. Last night I found out, and it started today. Kimchi opened his own makeup line.
You can't do that, Kimchi!
It's eyeshadow palette and a bunch of liquid eyeshadows.
No, Kimchi can't do that when I plan on getting Shane Dawson's palette.
I know.
Can't.
Somebody else came out with a palette just now too, I think.
Stop, people! I just want Shane
They do it all at
Dawson.
once because they want to throw you off.
They want you to choose. I can't choose.
Well, then you'll get nothing. Anyways.
I will get Shane Dawson.
Okay.
I will do the pay later thing. Unless you plan on giving it to me somewhere around my birthday or Christmas. That tell me now.
I don't know what I'm getting you yet. I don't even know what the price of that is yet. Anyways.
$12.
Yeah. There's no way a palette is $12.
I mean, he claims how cheap he is. Why not?
I think the Kimchi's eyeshadow palette is $28. So it's very affordable.
So
Kimchi's makeup.
Clarifying cleanser that I can't
Yeah.
open. There we go.
You know, for your face.
I have a face.
To wash your face.
I have a face.
Yeah, you just don't wash it as much as you should.
I try.
Anyways, so that was our Ipsy stuff. I hope you enjoyed it.
It's sticky.
And all that stuff. Get that out of my face.
Smell it!
I don't. It smells like cleanser. Like, anyways. Goodbye, kitty cats. I'm just not dealing today. Thanks for watching.
Slimy.